Hello, this is Sam with Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines, and today we're testing this Jura Impressa Z6 espresso machine. This machine is having some issues with milk frothing, and so we're just going to do a test and talk about what we see. So I see that the milk frothing isn't coming out consistently to start with. It's just sputtering. And then typically after a couple seconds, it starts to do just this. Like what it's normally supposed to do, which is to come out at a regular rate. And then it makes the espresso. We also noticed that, so we turned the time up on the amount of time for the cappuccino. We moved it from 12 seconds to 25 seconds. And then we also decreased the volume of the espresso. The volume of the espresso was at 5 ounces, which is really high. And we moved it to 2 ounces, making the coffee in the drink stronger. So thank you for watching with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.